Welcome guys, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create a Gmail account. So some of you call it a Google account, but anyways, in this tutorial we're going to be seeing in a few steps how we can create one. So step one, the requirements: you must have a good internet connection, probably using a computer or a phone. Any can work. So step one, you have to go to Google, or you open your browser. In this case, this is my browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and search for Gmail. So I'm gonna type Gmail and try to search. So it kind of brings Gmail as number one, and you click on Gmail, or you can go for create a Gmail account. It kind of, it's all the same. Whether you click on create Gmail account or Gmail, it all takes you the same site, which is the Gmail website. So on this website you can see what a Gmail account is: secure, smart, and easy way. You can send mails, get more done with Gmail, nothing blah blah. Email that's secure, private, blah blah. So you shall be using this Gmail account to send emails to our friends, workmates, or even use it at work in office to send mails and probably official communication. So in another case, if you have a Gmail, it will be like a key access, a key for you to access more Google services and other Google apps. So it's kind of like a key for you to access or unlock all the Google potential. So if you don't have a Gmail, probably you're not going to access other Google apps. For example, other Google apps can include Google Search, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Play, Google News, Gmail, Meet, Chat, Google Contact, and Google Drive, where you can store most of your data. Google Calendar, Translate, Google Photos, Google Duo, Google Finance, Documents, Sheets, Slides, Books, Blogger. And I will be making a couple of videos about Blogger, but to unlock the potential of all these Google apps, or to access them, you must have a Gmail account. So in this tutorial we are first creating a Gmail account, and it's going to be acting like a key for us to access all the other Google apps and services. So let's go ahead and see. Now that we've landed on the Gmail site, let's go ahead and click on create an account. So you click on create an account, and it will open a page where you have to put your credentials and see how we can create our account. So create your account, continue to Gmail. First of all, they want you to put your first name. So I'm gonna sort of use a provisional name or provisional profile to make sure that we go through all these steps smoothly. And at the end of the video, I'm very sure you would be able to have created a Gmail account. So first name, let me just use any name that is actually in my diary. For example, Chinua Kiba. I'm using Chinua Kiba as my first name, and then my last name I'm gonna be using Clinton. Now my username, remember your username must not be the same as your first name and last name. So your username is kind of your Gmail. That's why you put your username or your provisional name you want, and then you put @Gmail. The @Gmail is already loaded by default, so you just have to put your domain name. For example, now that I have this, I can put Quinoa, something like that can work. So you're gonna have to create a password. So you have to create a password that is kind of strong. So a strong password may have some letters, uppercase and lowercase, and also should be having some numbers and probably some special case. So let me just create a password here very quick. Make sure to include an uppercase and the lowercase, and also you include some numbers and some special character like the art. So now that I have a very good password, I can duplicate it here, or if this is not recommended, you can just retype it, confirm. So you have to retype the password to confirm it. So after everything, you go ahead and click on next. So we'll open a page where we have to verify our phone number. So we have a phone number. They say it's optional, you can leave it out, but I think sometimes they might need it for account verification, so it's better to set up your phone number. I have my phone number ready with me here, and I'm just going to create a provisional phone number again. You must have a phone number that you're gonna be typing here in order to get through. So mine is this, and before a phone number you must also choose a sort of a country code depending on your country where you are. For example, if you're in the US, you must scroll down until you find US, or you just type USA and USA will probably come on top, or you type U and you will be near to USA, United States, United Kingdom, or any other country. So you click on your country code, and my country code right now is UG, so that's why I have the UG flag there. And I'm gonna type my phone number, which is this. Okay, so you may use a recovery email address, but it's kind of optional. You can just continue without a recovery address. Then this field here is mandatory, where you have to provide your date of birth. So you must provide a valid date of birth, and kind of that date of birth must be reflecting on your age, such that your age is above 18, because if you're not above 18, then you're not going to be allowed to create a Gmail account. Probably you're still a minor and you can use your parents' Gmail account, or your parent can come in as can create for your Gmail account, and until you make it to 18, you can be able to create a Gmail account. So let's go ahead and put our date of birth. For example, I'm putting a date of 5, so you make sure you put a date of birth that is kind of, I'm providing, this is just provisional info, it's not the real info that you, but it's just provisional to help us create a Gmail account successfully. So I'm gonna put 1990. Probably somebody who was born in 1990s, around, you know, way back 30. I think it should be around 30 years of age, and that's good enough. So you must make sure that your year of date or date of birth must be above 18 years. If that's not the case, then you're not gonna create a Gmail account here. So let's go ahead and create a gender. You can decide on not, rather to say, or not to put any gender. You can put a custom gender. You know, we've seen different genders, but the most common ones are either male or female. No, I'm gonna want to put male. So you can click here and also read why Gmail or Google asks for this information before giving you a Gmail account. So let's go ahead and click on next. You will be redirected to a privacy and terms page, and you will be required to read all this information, and you see whether you agree with it. If you don't agree with it, you can choose to cancel, but if you agree with everything, the terms and conditions, then you're gonna have to create agree, I agree button, and it will redirect you to the next page where we have our Gmail being created now. So finally, we are getting our Gmail done and being created as fast as possible. It has been renamed as Google Workspace. Previously it was Gmail, and up now it's still Gmail because it's the old name, but they have kind of rebranded to Google Workspace. So finally, our Google account is open, and we have the first email coming from the Google community. Always, just like by default, they're telling you finish up setting your Google account. Hi, Kinwakib. They are welcoming you to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google products, just like I said, apps and services, and here are a few tips to get you started. So get the most out of your Google account. We will send you a personalized tip or news or recommendation from Google. You can keep signed in and updated about all that stuff, good stuff that's coming through from Google, or you can go ahead that you confirm everything. And now that we have a Gmail created successfully, we can go ahead and learn how to log in into our Gmail anytime we need it. So for example, you want to access your mails, you're gonna have to, you can visit Gmail at once, just like we've been doing through the web, but it's always in the browser. You can go ahead and just click here and it will open your Gmail. So now that it's already saved in our browser, it will open the Gmail direct and automatically, because it's already saved and has the passwords integrated with it. So that's all, guys. I just wanted to teach you how to learn how to create a Gmail account, and now we've created one successfully. I'll be seeing you in the next video. I'll be making a couple of videos on how to use this Gmail account to access all other Google services. For example, the Blogger, for people who like to blog. We shall be going ahead to create a new blog using this Gmail account. That app that we're going to be using is called Google Blogger. So next we are going for Google Blogger and creating blogs using our Gmail account that we've just created. So please ensure to subscribe, like the video for more upcoming content. Thanks for watching.